Look, Mama, that big excavator. It's so cool. It is beautiful, my little one.
$99. I have to work very hard.
Can we, Mama? Really? Sleep well, my angel. Tomorrow, Mama starts her new job at the bakery.
Good morning. I am here for the job.
Welcome. We need a hardworking baker. Can you start today?
These are rising perfectly. The customers will love them.
Just a little more swirl here. And a strawberry on top.
Here are your fresh berry cupcakes. Enjoy.
Thank you. They look delicious.
23. I'm getting closer to the excavator every day. Surprise! Happy early birthday! Mama! The excavator? You got it! Vroom, vroom. I'm a real worker now, Mama. Be careful, Mr. Driver. Reach for the yellow ones, honey. They are the sweetest.
My paw hurts, Mama. I fell.
It's okay. Mama will fix it. You're a brave boy. Hold still. There, a nice white bandage for a brave white kitten.
This will make you feel much better. It's so cold and sweet.
Delivering juice to everyone. Keep going. You're doing great.
Almost done. One more shift, and then the big surprise.
You've been our best baker. Here is your bonus.
Thank you so much.
Guess what tomorrow is?
We need the reddest ones for the pie. This one is as big as my head.
Hold on tight.
I'm a tractor cat. Look at me.
My savings. I wanted to help you buy the cake.
Oh, sweetie, it's the thought that matters most.
Wash them well. We don't want any dirt in the pie. I'm giving the apples a bath.
Fold and turn like this. Push, fold. Oops, it's sticky.
It smells like heaven, Mama.
The secret is the love we put into it. Welcome, everyone. Thank you for coming to the party. Look, all my friends are here.